If you want to add your Canva design to Squarespace the right way, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. Whether you're uploading a logo, an icon, or a website banner, I'll show you how to export it correctly from Canva and place it inside your Squarespace page without confusion. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. First, open your design inside your Canva dashboard. If you're creating a logo or any irregularly shaped icon, make sure it starts on a transparent background template. That matters because it keeps the background clean when you place it on your site. If you use a solid background by mistake, your logo may show up inside a box, which is not what you want for a professional look. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then choose Download. Canva will give you a few file options, and the best one depends on what you're making. If it's a logo or icon, choose PNG so you keep the clear background and sharp edges. PNG is usually the best choice for graphics that need transparency. If you're uploading a large full-width website banner image, JPG can be a better option because it keeps the file size lighter and works well for big visual sections. After downloading your Canva file, switch over to your Squarespace editor and log into the page where you want to add the image. Open the page, then click Edit in the top left corner of the viewport. This puts you into editing mode so you can place your Canva design exactly where you want it. Now click Add Block and select Image. This creates an image section on your page where your Canva graphic can be uploaded. Next, click inside the image block frame and choose Upload File. Browse your device, find the Canva file you just saved and select it. Squarespace will upload the image and insert it into the block for you. From there, you can adjust its placement, size, and alignment to match your page layout. If you're using a logo, make sure it looks clean against the background of your site. If you're using a banner, check that it fills the space properly and doesn't look stretched or blurry. A quick tip here, always preview your page before publishing so you can make sure the Canva image appears exactly the way you intended. That extra check can save you from layout issues later. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a Canva design into Squarespace. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy website and design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.